All right, so I was in the middle of putting together this membership, which is going to have blog posts and courses and all kinds of things about online course creation and resources for myself that are really useful that I want to condense into like PDFs and put them on the internet. Also questions other people ask me. I'm going to put them in this private membership. I'm going to be launching it soon, so if you want to sign up for the interest list, link is in the description. But while I'm building this membership, I realized, and this also came up on a client call this week, a new feature of tangible LifterLMS, LifterLMS, and Elementor Pro that I didn't know about. When I am editing my membership, right, so let me jump into my course. On my course, I have a template built in Elementor, and I'm using tangible elements to apply it to my course, and the same thing with lessons, right? So the lesson template and the course template look almost the same, so you can't really distinguish between them. But this layout is really old looking. It reminds me. Oh, why is I didn't put this in the template, did I? No, sorry. The video started playing and it scared me. Whew, need to recover from that. This template reminds me of 2021 when I made the course, and I don't want it to apply to all my lessons, right? So when I was looking at the display conditions, I saw lessons and I saw lessons by author as two options. So it's like, okay, I can either have my template display on all my lessons or by a certain author. So what am I going to do? Like make a new WordPress user, apply it to that WordPress user as like the author of all my lessons? Like that's really complicated. So I was able to get lessons in lesson template. Let me show you how I was able to do that. So I'm using a free plugin called CPT UI, and I could actually review the plugins I'm using. Elementor, Elementor Pro, LifterLMS, Tangible Lifter Elements. Those four are necessary for this setup, but number 5 is a free plugin called Custom Post Type UI. We see it on the bottom here. Custom Post Type User Interface allows us to make our own custom post types in WordPress. We can make videos, we can make PDFs, we have pages, posts, courses, lessons. We can make any post types we want. But we can also create taxonomies for existing post types or post types we create. And so lesson template was a taxonomy I created. And when you create a taxonomy, it only asks you 3 questions. What is the taxonomy slug? What is the plural label? What is the singular label? Like I said, it asks 4 questions, right? Because it also asks what to attach this post to. So give it a name. Choose a post type to attach your taxonomy to. And if you don't know what a taxonomy means, it's courses, categories, difficulty, tags. There are ways to sort the posts. So there's a type of post and ways to sort those posts. We like to think about them as categories and tags as different things, but it's just a taxonomy that can have whatever behavior you want. So I created lesson template as a taxonomy. I applied it to lessons, and then the key feature here is right here at the bottom, show in quick and bulk edit panel. What this does is if you got to switch it to true, because I think it's false by default. But once you do that, what happens is on your lessons, you can filter by course, which is an awesome feature. I could say LifterLMS Elementor Masterclass, and let's filter the courses, bulk edit, apply. And so since I selected that box, lesson templates is now something I can select right here. So I could write in on a bunch of my lessons at once. For every lesson in my course, I'm going to add this taxonomy to that lesson. And then the cool thing is that it automatically appears as the video starts automatically. Alright, so the video automatically starts playing. That's not what I was trying to say. The lesson template settings in the Elementor display conditions automatically detect that you have a taxonomy for your lessons, and thus you can say if it is in the lesson template, and I think I called it lesson template like 2021 lesson template, if the post type has this taxonomy associated with it, I did the filter and I put the tag on it with the bulk edit, then it's going to use the 2021 template. But I don't have any other lesson templates for now. So my other courses, their lessons can use a different template, right? So if I jump into my lesson, I don't like this autoplay feature. But this is not using any template at all. This is the Cadence theme out of the box. And so I could add a different Elementor template or use the theme out of the box. But with this ability to add taxonomies to lessons and then apply tags in bulk to those lessons or whatever the taxonomy is you create, and then display based on that taxonomy, I am now in a position where I can really customize the template ability on the courses of my site. So that was kind of a cool takeaway. And also promotion, I was on the LMS cast earlier today. Go to LifterLMS's YouTube channel to check out the podcast episode that I did with Chris. And also click the link in the description to join the membership or join the interest list, whatever is available at the time. And I'm excited to just pour a bunch more content into this website and membership. I'll see you in the next video.